In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp for a streamlined creative projects and design workflow. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and log in. Using the app keeps everything snappy, while the web version is great if you switch devices. Once you're in, we'll build a simple structure that makes every creative project easy to track from brief to delivery. Start by creating a dedicated space. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Creative Projects. Think of a space as the home for all your design work. Make sure lists are enabled in this space so you can organize projects clearly and see progress at a glance. This will become the backbone of your day-to-day tracking. Inside your new space, add a folder called Design Workflow. Folders help you group related work, so this one will keep all your creative lists, tasks, and statuses in one place as your team grows. Next, create a list named Creative Projects. Each task on this list will represent a single creative project or asset. This keeps the focus simple. One task equals one deliverable. It's a clean way to avoid clutter and gives you a quick overview of what's in motion. Now add your project tasks. Create tasks for designs, graphics, branding, or visuals. Use clear names like the project title or asset name, so anyone scanning the list knows exactly what it is. For example, Homepage Hero Graphic or Logo Refresh. This small naming habit makes search and reporting much easier later. To make your list truly useful, add custom fields. Include project type, client, deadline, and designer. These fields turn your list into a mini database you can sort and filter. For example, set deadlines to prioritize or filter by designer to balance workloads. If you're not sure which type to choose for a field, dates for deadline and drop-downs for project type work well. Set your creative statuses to match your workflow: brief, designing, review, revisions, and completed. These reflect the real stages work moves through and make progress crystal clear for everyone involved. Quick note before we continue, you'll find the official download link and website link for ClickUp right at the top of the description if you need it. Finally, track progress using List or Board View. List View is perfect for sorting by deadline or client, while Board View gives you a visual pipeline you can drag tasks through from brief to completed. Update statuses as you work and watch your pipeline stay organized and up to date. That's it. You now have a clean ClickUp system to track creative projects and design workflows with clarity. Thanks for watching.